Hello and good morning to everybody. We would like to introduce you the new concept of tissue microarray pathology platform, based on the Galileo tissue microarrayer developed by the Integrated System Engineering. The Galileo tissue arrayer was designed with the objective to be the core element of tissue microarray pathology platform, keeping in mind the specificity of research project and diagnostics application. To guarantee traceability of the data throughout the TMA process, the Galileo instrument was designed to interface easily with the clinical database via barcode system. The Galileo TMA will guide you easily through the tissue microarray construction process, allowing to transfer of the TMA data to any digital scanner, a Mamatsu, Aperion, or others. After the TMA construction and staining of the slides, it's possible to capture the core images and perform quantitative digital pathology analysis. With the Galileo TMA platform, traceability is guaranteed throughout the entire process. Maurizio later on will describe you the main features and more details about the Galileo instruments.
Nice to meet you, also in that electronic way we meet each other. So I want to explain you a little bit of details of our tissue array. As you can see, it is based on a microscope stand from a stereo microscope. We use this stand because it's nice, it has a double illumination. You can have reflected light and transmitted light, that is important for paraffin and block illumination. On that stand we mount an automatic stage that can be moved also manually via joystick. You have 3 speeds possible, and the stage is soft moving, is nice, and the resolution is very good. It's 1 micron resolution. On that you can mount different items, different geometric blocks, from standard block to macro block to microtiter plates, a lot of different things, so we try to be flexible on that. On that unit we have also some head for needle mounting. You have, of course, 2 needles, recipient needles and donor needles, for making holes in the paraffin, taking the tissue and giving back tissue to recipient blocks. On that stand we mount optics modules from Navitar. We mount 4 modules to be flexible and to leave to the operators enough space for working, so you can put your hand freely in the space under the objective. We have also a camera for sending images, live images, to the computers, and you can see on the image, that is a 22-inch monitor, the image from the camera. You can also have a zoomed image up to 50 magnification, so I think it's really enough for making a good job on that. On the left side of the stand you can see the controller that generates signals for controlling the motors of the automatic stage. On the right side you see the computer with the software we have developed for that.
Now I will explain to you the software characteristics. As you can see, we have icons on the top of the screen which tells you the action that needs to be followed to construct a tissue array. We start with the template edit, where you can design the geometry of the TMA by inserting the needle size and space between the cores. And you can also eliminate rows and columns. Then we have the design phase, where you define the position of each tissue core with the possibility to choose between serial or random placements. Before you start the construction of the TMA, you need to select the tissue spot, using the manual or the virtual superimposition of glass slide. At this point, we can start with the construction phase, which is guided by the Galileo software. We can see a flowchart positioned on the left side of the screen. At glance, you need to indicate the position of the donor and the recipient blocks. At this point, you can start the construction of your TMA, following the instruction which will appear on the screen. After completing the TMA construction, you can generate a digital report of your work. The report can be generated in an Excel file or in an XML format to transfer all the data to any commercial scanners. We hope we have been successful in demonstrating the unique features of the Galileo tissue arrayer and its capability to be a core element of a tissue array pathology platform. The Galileo TMA was designed to be used for research project and diagnostic application, where full traceability is a must. Please contact us for any additional information or clarification and take a look at our website. Thank you for your attention.